Hey guys, welcome to Stride DIY. This is the Vevor steam cleaner, and I'm going to show you how to clean stains on your carpet. So this is great because with steam cleaning, you can use it on all kinds of different stains. If you're using a chemical cleaner, some will clean some stains, some won't clean others, and you have the worry of possibly damaging your carpet depending on what kind of stain it is. You really don't have to worry about that with steam cleaning. So I got this steam cleaner from the Vevor company, and what we're going to do here is just go ahead and fill this up. Just put regular water in it. For this example, I'm using a full glass of water, so that's probably 16 ounces of water here, and I'm just tackling this one stain, but I was actually able to get maybe 4 or 5 different areas of small stains with this amount of water, but you're going to want to use probably a little bit more. And stick around, guys, because I'm going to link to another video of mine where I clean a car with this. And check out the link in the description as well, because you're going to get 52% off the original price of this machine. So when you plug it in, the red light means it's still warming up and it's not ready yet. So you're going to just go ahead and put in the hose here. This snaps on in, and we're going to wait for the green light. But while we're doing that, we can use this connection. I really like this size connection, and this little bonnet goes on here. This is just nice if you're trying to scrub while you're steam cleaning. And now once we get the green light, that will mean it's ready to go, and it'll kind of make some sounds while it's warming up. You'll hear the motor running, and now we have the green light. That means it's good to go. We're good to pull this trigger on the machine and let some steam out. Now I'm going to show you what that looks like here. So I'm just going to bring it over to where the stain is, and this just pushes up. So you can see I'm pushing the button up, and we now have steam. I let that run for a few seconds to get that going. And then once we have that going and heating up the pad, we're going to just rub it onto the stain here. So I'm not sure what this stain is again. Don't really care with the steam cleaner. I'm going to come at it with a few different directions. I'm speeding this up because I'm just kind of tackling it with a few different angles when I'm cleaning it, just to make sure I get it all. So once I have it, I'm confident that it's cleaned here. I'm going to just turn it off. You're releasing the tab there on the steam cleaner. And what I always do is I take a dry cloth as well and kind of clean it up as well afterwards. And what that does is if there's any residue, it's not just going to stay in the carpet, it's going to come off on the cloth that you're cleaning it with. So that's what I did here. This is just one of the cloths that came with it, and I think it's a 23-piece kit. And I kind of like to fan it out with my hand, or just with something to make sure that it still looks good. So as you can see, this stain, whatever it was, is cleaned up with the steam cleaner. Just now keep in mind this top white part is going to be a little hot, but that's normal because it's been producing steam. Go ahead and check out the description. I'm going to include that link for the 52% off as well.